I'll show you how to get a beautiful watermark like the beautiful blue beauty you see in the bottom right corner of my video that says subscribe now. This is what is known as the watermark of your YouTube video. You do have options on what you put here. It is a graphic that you upload on your own, and you can have it as your YouTube channel art, your YouTube channel profile photo so that it can show your logo, or it can say subscribe now like mine does. Make sure to stay till the end of this video because I do have free YouTube graphics for you that you can use so that you can just upload this and you don't have to worry about creating your own graphics. So let's get started. In the top right corner of your video, click YouTube Studio Beta. Next, you want to click Settings and then hover your mouse over Other Settings and click Channel Branding. From here, you can see I already have my subscribe now button uploaded, and what we're going to do is remove that so that you can see what it looks like, if you haven't already uploaded a YouTube watermark. Click Add a Watermark, and next we will navigate to our watermarks. Click Save. This is to customize the time that it'll show up. As you can see, I have it set to 5 seconds. When I showed you at the beginning of this video, it popped up after 5 seconds of playing the video. This way gives kind of a I'm here effect, or you can say at the end of your video, where it only plays at the very tail end of your video or the entire video. So you can have your watermark show up as soon as the play button is hit so that it shows throughout the entire length of your video. I do keep mine on custom time because I like it to kind of pop up and say, hello, I'm here. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure to let me know in the comments below if you're liking the series and how it's going. Also, get those free YouTube graphics. I give you free thumbnails for your videos, end screens, watermarks like you saw in this video, and a YouTube banner template because it makes things so much easier because I was always struggling to figure out how to size things perfectly for my YouTube banner. Now that I have this template, I don't have to worry about it at all. I can create my banner with ease. So definitely go to ladymora.com/YT. I'll give you everything I mentioned here. I know people will say, don't give everything for free, but you're getting it for free. So make sure to click the link in the description box below. It'll just speed up your time for creating things. And if you're like, but lady, I don't like the color blue, no worries. I created this graphic in 7 different colors. I know, I went above and beyond. I kind of went crazy. I kind of went crazy and did it in 7 different colors. So definitely check it out. You will find a color that fits your brand.